it would be start from coming academic session is a different timings. And here already I have quoted that in this premises we were not able to give such facilities to our students. But now winner has extended its wings to Kutpali branch, and all these facilities, those that deserve the students, we are going to provide each and everything in here.
टिके डाउन करो ऊपर जल्दी यूज होला अभी तो कौन डाउन करो बोलो मुझे टिके डाउन करो बोलो टिके डाउन करो फोटो नहीं आवार बोलो जानू कैमरा ने कर दे हो
तो क्या है तो कम कर फोटो रे खींचा ना देखे देबो
हां फोटो को अंधार पे खींचा देखे देबो
ए तो कम कर फोटो रे खींचा देखे देबो
for primary children.
ना फाइट खुदी दे ना फसी वाला डाउन फाइट जाने टिके कर दे भी
Before that, you can have a brief introduction about yourself.
Coordinator of Junior Wing, Winner Branch. Now I am going to tell that we will do in nursery, LKG, VKG, that we will do all the classes in activity-based way, and we will motivate the children how they will dance and sing in singing method and dancing method. They will learn everything. Sadesh sir.
A very warm evening to one and all. Today myself, Savesh Patel over here, and I want everyone to please stay silent and just read some, okay? Okay, we're talking about some remarkable points in how we should redefine our life over here, okay? First, activity-based learning. If we talk about activity-based learning, all the students of Winner are doing a very great job at the school, and we as a teachers are fully motivating all the students to aspire their career and all the information they can gather. The second thing would be the smart class, which we already redirect in our school. Enhance the learning skills of every student in our school and motivate them for higher education and career aspirations. Thank you.
Good evening to you all. I'm Sukhdev Bastrai, coming from Bhubaneswar. I have completed my BCom, MA in Rural Management, MA in English. I have been working as an English teacher last 10 years. Just I want to explain about the quality education. You know that quality education, you know everywhere. But quality education based on that, what we are going to do. That should be our teacher explain about the quality education, that is the base. Activity based, that we will do the activities. Basically, every teacher is teaching like a teaching. Any lesson they are taking, they are teaching, going and teaching. But in our school, we are doing the activities to the students so that they will be a little, frankly they can speak, they will be smart, they can be, confident to do anything. And that should be like we are implementing the smart class. There will be digital light in the classes, there will be video, audio will be there, and they should have the class, they will understand what we are going to do. That is the things. And I want to talk about the conceptual. Basically, we teach in the base on that lesson. And the conceptual, basically, maximum time, teacher are going to teach one thing and they by heart it, and that they in Hindi we call it rota. Rota mark के आते हैं, exam में full mark लेके आते हैं. In this our school, we not do like that. We teach properly. We make them understand the concept, what it means, what is the background, what is the meaning of that, what is the things we are going to do. Any lesson, any chapter are telling, based on the chapter we are explaining everything. We make them clear about the concept. Based on the concept, if they understand the concept, whatever question will ask the student, they will understand it, they can write in exam. Yes, rota मार के नहीं होता. That is the thing. Our main motto is to focus on the student. They should have a conceptual education so that they will understand properly.
Hello everyone, my name is Shomita Mandal. I came from Kolkata, West Bengal, and I have 7 years of experience. It's nice to meet you all here. As we see here, chemistry lab and physics lab, also bio lab, we all have advanced technology, advanced instrument, everything inside this new campus. So I hope everybody can understand why biology, why science. Science is the pillar or everything, because whatever around us is all about science. It's all about environment. So my point of view is that if we need to take care of small plant, so we need to take care as ground level all the students. So all the students needs are taking care from the beginning. So we are here from outside of the state. We are here and we are happy to help you. I think all the students will agree with me if their concepts, as sir told, every student has clear concept about the science, about math, whatever the subject is. If that base is clear, we will make it. Because winner, the name says winner, and we will make a winner team. Thank you, Lord.
Hello, good evening all of you. I am Nepal Mahesh, MCA from Bhubaneswar, and I have been working as computer IT teacher in Winner School, and we are teaching digital classes, and we are teaching computer classes here, and now we are going to learn all the students. We are going to study all the students for IT and in PPT based class. So हम चाहते हैं कि जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको क्लियरली कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आ जाए, इसलिए हम PPT बेस्ड क्लास करके डिजिटली करके स्टूडेंट लोगों को कंप्यूटर एजुकेशन देकर उनको स्मार्ट क्लासेस प्रोवाइड करेंगे और we do something different from other schools. Thank you.
There will be added the robotic lab also there. Those who are interested to become a scientist in future, they go for the science and they have to do research in science. We have to teach the fundamental based on the robotic. So they will be aware on that. When they will clear in the base, in future they will be interested to do make themselves in robotic, or they have to go for the research, or they want to be scientists. So basic things we are providing the basic knowledge, so that in future they will have some of the things which will help them to lead themselves without depending anyone.
Hello. Good evening to all. My name is Samir Panda. I am from Bhubaneswar. Previously, I was providing civil service coaching to those who are preparing for IAS and OS, and also I am continuing that process also. We have also own academy, and where I am providing the mentorship. But along with this, in Winner, I am a SST. I have joined as a SST teacher. But my point of view that competitive examinations, our Winner schools has decided to introduce this IIT Foundation batch, NET Foundation batch, FIT JEE Foundation batch, UPSC Foundation batch, and IELTS Foundation batch. And in this process, बोलते हैं कि an aimless boat cannot reach out the destinations without planning. So our motto is to keep the students and give them the proper direction. So in future, after passing out this +2, they should have the aim to wherever go. Shall I become a doctor? Shall I become an engineer? Shall I become a scientist? So for this reason, IIT Foundations and FIT JEE Foundation batch that will be helpful in the engineering admissions like AIEEE, OJEE जो भी है उसमें हमारा वो उनको हेल्पफुल होगा जो हम इंट्रोड्यूस करने के लिए जा रहे हैं IIT Foundation and FIT JEE. And for NET, those who are going to the doctor in future, we are also our school has started this program NET. Our school has planned to started this NEET Foundation batch. And those who are interested to go in the medical line, so they can pursue this NET Foundation. So that will be helpful in their future to become a doctor. And for UPC and PCSE Foundation, I have started this program in class 8 standard. Every day I am providing 5 to 6 MCQs, which will be helpful, which will be relevant for them. Wherever they will be appear this SSC, CGL and railway and including your PCC Foundation batch. And regarding your IELTS Foundation batch, it is actually to develop our communications. It's like a sub skill. So IELTS, we are also going to introduce this IELTS Foundation batch. And NCERT based is we are also this program already introduced. Because NCERT means we have these fundamentals. So in NCERT, how the NCERT questions will be helpful to give the students in proper guidance so that they can appear in the future. So ये बोलते हैं कि हम जब सिविल सर्विस का प्रिपरेशन कर रहे थे, हमारा फाउंडेशन था 6 to 12 NCERT बुक को कवर करना. So I think 6 to 12 is the main pillar. If anybody is interested to go in the UPSC and PCS line, state PCS, Public Service Commission line. Okay, this all about this. Thank you to all.
Okay, I want to mention that IELTS, International Learning English Test System. वो क्या होता है कि those who are interested to go for the abroad, for the higher study, we are giving the basic knowledge to be appear in the abroad. Those who want to become a little, higher for the anything. So they will come to the foundation course, they will learn the basic things. In future, they will be available themselves, they can make their achievement, they can prepare from this beginning, and end of the graduation and the master degree, they will apply for the higher study in abroad. That is called, they have to learn the English subject so that it will be helpful to the future. Thank you.
With the education, it is very necessary that children should play indoor games. Now we have already started giving children chess, Ludo, and inside the rooms they are in the Montessori lab also they are playing balls and they are enjoying a lot in the Montessori lab. And we have decided that every class will come one day they will come there and they will enjoy the games in the Montessori lab.
Okay, hello everyone again. I am talking about some outdoor games we are introducing or we are currently conducting in our school. As education is important, physical education is also the better half or the other half of the education system. If we talk about outdoor games, the secondary class and the different classes are conducting different cricket coaching classes and the different kabaddi, kho-kho, and we have also introduced sports this year. So all the students are giving the different curricular activities and also conducting day-to-day yoga system and also conducting different classes in the morning. Thank you.
One more thing is there, self-defense. Nowadays, you heard about so many bad news. So it's truly important to build a power in between all the girls also as well as boys. So we planned in our new campus, we planned about self-defense mechanism. Some other teachers will teach that students, that will be provided all the students. So self-defense is all about martial art, and also self-defense means that women empowerment. So nowadays it's a very important thing. We have to save our girl child. So women empowerment, we are focusing on that also from this stage, from the school stage.
Okay, I want to just mention that there is special activities based on the special means apart from the education. We have been teaching and we have been doing that. Apart from the education, we are giving special activity. That should be, ma'am already explained that yoga and NCC Scout. Those who want to go for the military defense, go for the Air Force. We are planning to give from the now, they can train themselves. In future, they want to be go for the defense and airlines, or they want to be go for the army. So they will be go to the NCC Scout will be involved, so that they will train in the beginning. End of the day, they have the quality, they have a certificate. If the certificate they have, then they apply for that. There will be reservation, they have the special concession, and there will be reservation will be given by the government of India. And I also, ma'am, explain about the self-defense about the girls. Now, that are things, and I'm talking about the swimming pool. We are going to implement the swimming pool in this campus, so that those who go for extra activity apart from the education, they think that they can have the quality. They have to make the extra activity. They go for these kind of things. Also, gym also there, swimming pool also there. Thank you.
Good evening, respected dignitaries. Myself Naval Kumar Jha from Daranga, Bihar. My qualification is MSc B.Ed, and I have taught in Delhi public schools in India and abroad as Dubai, Abu Dhabi. Regarding these club activities, as we all know, that club is a group of students having the same aim, objective. For example, maths club, eco club, science club. What they will learn there? This year we are going to introduce these all the clubs in which the students will learn something extra. As maths practices, exercise, textbooks we are learning, the students are learning well. But along with that, some competitive exams and the simplification of the things, that daily uses things. For example, if anybody asks 75 into 75, we are opening the mobile. No, those who are in maths club, they can say immediately 5, 6, 2, 5. Such type of activities will be conducted in maths club. Similarly, in science club, literature club, there will be some extra knowledge gained by that group of students. That's all. Thank you.
Career counseling. Actually, after 12th, 10th, 12th, mostly parents are getting dilemma, and students as well. In which way we have to go? So career counseling during 10th and 12th, that they can choose their way. In which stream they have to go, in which way they have to go. So we have planned that. Some army officers, some IS officers, we will invite them and they will make them aware about that, in which way they have to deserve and what is career counseling and what is their career after 12. Thank you. Yes, of course, student exchange program is newly we're going to add it. Student exchange program, it means student of different cultures. For example, in my previous school we have conducted, my students from Gujarat, they went to Punjab. And from winner, they will go from other state, from West Bengal. So it means what? they will grasp, they will acquire the knowledge of different traditions, different cultures. So now we are going to start, and we have to plan out that along with the study tour, or the student exchange program also we will introduce, so that our students, they can acquire the knowledge of the different cultures. Thank you.
शुभ संध्या। जब हॉस्टल में बच्चों को पेरेंट्स लेके आते हैं, पहले बोलते हैं हम हॉस्टल में इसलिए छोड़ते हैं कि वो मोबाइल ज़्यादा देखते हैं, वो घर में पढ़ाई नहीं करते हैं, वो बहुत बदमाशी करते हैं। लेकिन हम बच्चों को हॉस्टल में रखते क्यों हैं? कि हॉस्टल में रखने का एक मोटो रहता है हमारे स्कूल का, जो हम हॉस्टल में बच्चों को क्यों रखते हैं। हॉस्टल में बच्चों इसीलिए रहते हैं कि उनका प्रैक्टिकल स्किल बढ़ता है, जैसे कम्युनिकेशन स्किल, जैसे एडजस्टमेंट, जैसे बिहेवियर, जैसे इंडिपेंडेंस, ये सब बच्चों का अपने से आप बढ़ता है। हम कोई कोचिंग नहीं देते इसका, वहाँ का माहौल ऐसा रखते हैं जो बच्चे उसी से सीख जाते हैं सब। ये था कि बच्चों का प्रैक्टिकल स्किल कैसे बढ़ता है। और एकेडमिक की, अगर हम एकेडमिक लाइन से देखते हैं तो हम हॉस्टल में बच्चों को अच्छा कोचिंग देते हैं, उनको स्टडी आवर देते हैं, एक्सपीरियंस टीचर देते हैं, और उनको स्पोकन इंग्लिश क्लास थोड़ी देर के लिए बंद हुआ था, वो भी अभी चल रहा है, वो भी देते हैं बच्चों को। उसको छोड़ने के बाद हम बच्चों का एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए बच्चों का बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन करते हैं, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फेस्टिवल उसको भी बच्चों के साथ मिलकर बनाते हैं। तो ये सब एक बच्चों के लिए जो ज़रूरत होता है, तो आगे ये सब को और कैसे स्ट्रेंथन किया जाए, इसीलिए हम देखते हैं और उसका डेवलप करने के लिए कोशिश करने का इरादा है हम लोग का। थैंक यू।
Now from this academic session, coming session, winner is going to start school magazine in the name of winner. School magazine is a composite with the students some writing and 3 parts of languages, English, Odia and Hindi, along with the students article also. So when after 10 years, one student is observing that, and maybe they can show their kids कि देखो क्लास 8 में मैं जब पढ़ता था, ये मेरा फोटो and all these are my articles. So for that I request to management from this year, all with our support and togetherness, we are going to start school magazine in the name of winner. Thank you.
पेरेंट्स टीचर्स मीटिंग, आई थिंक आप सबको पता होगा ये पेरेंट्स टीचर मीटिंग बहुत ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण है, क्योंकि बच्चे हमारे स्कूल जाते हैं और क्या सीखते हैं, क्या समझते हैं, ये टीचर्स और पेरेंट्स दोनों को मालूम होना चाहिए। इसलिए विनर स्कूल डिसाइड किया है कि आने वाले साल में हर महीने पीटीएम होंगे, और उस पीटीएम में हम अपनी जानकारी जो बच्चे डेवलप कर रहे हैं उसके बारे में शेयर करें। घर पे बच्चे क्या करते हैं, 6 आवर्स 7 आवर्स वो स्कूल में हैं, वो क्या पढ़ते हैं, आज उन्होंने क्या स्किल डेवलप किया, क्या चीज़ पढ़ा, वही काफ़ी नहीं है। वो घर पे जाके क्या करते हैं ये भी जानना बहुत जरूरी है, ताकि हम बच्चों को ऑब्जर्व कर सकें और डेली बेस पे उनका हम स्किल डेवलप कर सकें। इसके लिए पीटीएम में हम ज़्यादा डिस्कस कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि जनरली पहले होता था कि 2 या 3 एग्जाम होते हैं साल में, हम स्कूल में जाते हैं पीटीएम में और उनके आंसर शीट देखते हैं कितने मार्क्स आए, कहाँ गलती की, लेकिन उनके डेली प्रैक्टिस को हम ध्यान नहीं देते। क्या उनमें टैलेंट एक्स्ट्रा है, सिर्फ एक सब्जेक्ट मैथ साइंस इंग्लिश देख लेते, लेकिन अब वो समय नहीं है। आप एब्रॉड देखिए तो बच्चे का टैलेंट मेजर किया जाता है, ना कि मैथ साइंस ओनली। आप लोग भी अच्छी तरह से जानते होंगे कि बहुत सारे ऐसे वर्ल्ड फेमस पर्सनैलिटी है जो क्लास 10 में फेल हो गए थे, 12 में फेल हो गए। आपको भी नाम पता होगा, सचिन तेंदुलकर, बहुत सारे पर्सनैलिटी ऐसे। तो हमें अब बच्चों के टैलेंट की ओर की ध्यान देना है, इसलिए हम बच्चों को इस मैटर पे पेरेंट्स टीचर मीटिंग में मिलके बच्चों के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे और उनके स्किल को डेवलप करने का कोशिश करेंगे। और हम लोग आराम से टाइम हमारे पास रहेगा, हमारे रिलेशन और ज़्यादा क्लोज होंगे जब हम मिलेंगे हर महीने और बच्चों के बारे में देखेंगे कि वो डेवलप किस रिगार्ड में कर रहे हैं और उनका कैरियर क्या है, कैसा कैरियर उनका बनेगा। ये हम और आप उनके बारे में मीटिंग में डिसाइड कर सकते हैं। ये हमारे लिए बहुत खुशी की बात है कि हम हर महीने अब PTM आई थिंक लास्ट वीक ऑफ एवरी मंथ कंडक्ट करेंगे। दैट्स ऑल, थैंक यू।
PTM जैसे कि सर बोले, PTM ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे पेरेंट्स और टीचर के साथ बातचीत होता है। तो अगर पेरेंट्स आएंगे और समझाएंगे कि उनको क्या ज़रूरत है, मैनेजमेंट आर हियर, मैनेजमेंट प्रोवाइड कर रहा है हर एक चीज़, वो छोटा छोटा चीज़ जो जिससे प्रॉब्लम होता है बच्चों को। एक हॉस्टल से शुरू होता है, एक स्कूल में ख़त्म होता है। हॉस्टल में जो बच्चे नहीं है, घर में है, मोबाइल फ़ोन का आज तो बहुत कुछ चल रहा है। तो यही सब चीज़ यहाँ पे हम लोग मायने रखते हैं। ये इसके साथ साथ हम लोग जो एकेडमिक में फोकस करने की कोशिश करते हैं। PTM इज़ वन प्लेटफॉर्म टू अचीव बिहेवियर इश्यूज ऑल्सो। घर में पेरेंट्स बहुत बच्चे ऐसे बोलते हैं कि बच्चे बहुत रूड हो रहे हैं, तो ये सारी चीज़ वही प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे हम लोग डिस्कस कर सकते हैं कि कौन सा चीज़ में हम लोगों को फोकस करना चाहिए। एंड यहाँ पे जो नेक्स्ट स्लाइड सर, जो यहाँ पे जो हम लोग यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं यूनिट टेस्ट रैंकिंग विद प्रोग्रेस रिपोर्ट, इसका मतलब ये है जो हम लोग ध्यान देते हैं सिर्फ एनुअल एंड हाफ ईयरली में। तो ये दोनों को छोड़ के क्लास टेस्ट जो हम लोग अभी सोच रहे हैं, ऑलरेडी हम लोगों का सोच दिमाग में है कि यूनिट टेस्ट का भी जो फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड अकॉर्डिंग नंबर हम लोग प्रोग्रेस रिपोर्ट उन लोगों को प्रोवाइड करेंगे, सो दैट वो मोटिवेशन उनके अंदर काम करेगा कि येस आई गॉट दिस प्रोग्रेस रिपोर्ट, मुझे हर यूनिट टेस्ट में मिलना चाहिए ये चीज़। So this is a kind of motivation thing. Again, seminar and workshop. Students के लिए जो बहुत अहमियत रखते हैं कि सेमिनार एक ऐसा चीज़ है जो अभी हम लोग स्टेज पे है, एक टाइम आएगा जब स्टूडेंट यहाँ पे रहेंगे, वही स्टूडेंट का बिल्डअप होता है। तो हम लोग प्रोवाइड करेंगे ये सेमिनार वर्कशॉप। स्टूडेंट जैसे कि मैम ने भी बोला, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे बच्चे एंकरिंग कर रहे हैं, सेम सेमिनार एंड वर्कशॉप उन लोग कंडक्ट करेंगे एंड टीचर्स रहेंगे उन लोगों को हेल्प एंड गाइडेंस प्रोवाइड करने के लिए। लास्ट है नेशनल एंड इंटरनेशनल स्टडी टूर। आप सब लोगों को पता है कि इसी स्कूल से हम लोग गुजरात गए हैं टूर करने के लिए, इसरो गए हैं, जो स्पेस सेंटर है वहाँ पे हम लोग विजिट किए हैं। सो आगे भी हम लोगों का जो मोटिव है वो है हमारा इंटरनेशनल टूर, ये हमारे दिमाग में है। मैनेजमेंट इज सपोर्टिंग इन एवरी पॉसिबिलिटीज, वो भी आगे देखता, वो भी हम लोग यहाँ से प्रोवाइड करते हुए चलेंगे, सो दैट कि बच्चे का जो बेस है, कंसेप्ट है, जो ग्राउंड लेवल है वो स्ट्रांग हो जाए। थैंक यू ऑल।
Okay, I just one thing I added. Yes, Lord. Okay, what Ma'am will explain and mention that one. Unit test ranking, that was just I have to mention. What happened? The students are not be competitive. What happened? They have the mindset in their mind. They think that this girl will be first rank, this boy will be first rank. They will ignore themselves, so that they think that in next exam they will not be able to write properly. So as we are thinking to introduce the unit test ranking, means they will have the ranking system, first rank, second rank after the exam. So they should have the competitive mind to clear it. That is why in the 9th class we are giving the special coaching for the 2 hours after the school. For that things, when I planning to do that, every week or every after the chapter we do the test. In the test, 90% students are getting 10 out of 10 because they have the quality of that competitive. When they will have competitive, they will have the ranking system. They will think that one fellow one my student, my friend will go to the first rank means next I will go to the first rank. That is that they should have the complete mind. In future, they will get the good score in the exam. Thank you.
Now, inner slogan is, of course, I have quoted in my speech that winner admission, no tuition. It means now my faculty members are committed that such types of education they will provide to the students no need for out coaching. In everything, we are going to provide to the students in the doorstep. So parents also, they should not bother about the tuitions, coaching, where my students will go and where my kids will go for coaching and for that tuition, all these things. So now winner has committed means winner will do that. So on behalf of management, I request to all my faculty members that however, in each and everywhere they are committed, here also we are committed and we will do that. Thank you everyone.
हो जाओ